Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to teach you how to clean your cast iron pans in under a minute and a half. If your cast iron pans look like this after cooking and you're wondering how do you clean these things, keep them non-stick and not ruin your cast iron pans, because we all know these can be a little bit of an investment. You are going to fill them with water. Cold, hot, doesn't matter, because we are going to turn our burners on here, and just like we're cooking, we're gonna heat up that water right in that cast iron pan. You can occasionally stir it if you have like burnt on cheeses, like I do here, or burnt on bits of food. You can gently scrape your pans with a wooden spoon or something like that to kind of loosen them up. Once you are convinced everything is really nice and loose, dump that out, grab a little bit of a sponge, a scrub brush, whatever you want here, just soft bristles. Then we are going to clean it like you normally would. If you want to use soap, you can. If you're afraid of dish soap on your cast iron pans, that's not an issue. Rinse them off with water in the sink, and then make sure that you are drying them either with a paper towel or a dish towel, making sure that they are completely dry. And here are your pans. If you want to know how to season them, I will link another video down below for you to go ahead and watch.